Hello everyone and welcome to this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So we are about to have the NFP news for the USD dollar and the unemployment rate for both of the USD and the CAD. That's gonna happen after exactly 5 minutes from now. Actually, I wanted to tell you that the strategy that I'm about to use right in this video has already been explained in another video right here on my channel. Let me just show it to you. So here is my channel, and all you need to do is go to the Forex Scalping Strategies playlist and click on that playlist, and then you will find the video right here. This is, my friends, the video that you need to watch. Learn how to make money by trading Forex news. It's very important to watch this video, and I think there is actually a live trade happened right in that video. So without wasting any time, actually we just have 5 minutes only till the news are out. So as we can see, right now it's 4:25 p.m. Dubai time, and the news will be out at 4:30. Which means we don't really have much time. So of course, basically, since we are having the news on both of the USD and the CAD, I'm going to actually choose basically the CAD. Very simple. By the way, my friends, I just wanted to say something here about this trade for the gold yesterday, which I have sent the analysis for the gold. I really feel upset about it. I feel upset about it because the gold has sadly reached the edge of the safe zone and then has reversed. And that's really killing me, because right now the gold is back to the original entry, which means if we did not close it in loss, we could have actually been in break even. But again, my friends, I'm really sorry. I cannot control the market. This has just happened. Anyway, let's now, of course, prepare the entry. So, because we still have, I think, 4 minutes only. All right. So what I'm going to do is simply, right, let me just first of all change the lot size. How much I'm planning to invest here. I have $3,312. I'm going to invest 300. So out of the 3,312, I'm about to invest the $300. So in the worst scenarios, I'm gonna remain with $3,000. That's your idea. That should be your mentality before entering any trade. Make sure how much you want to invest in this trade, because each trade you're opening is an investment. So of course I'm gonna change the lot size. I'm gonna make it I think one lot size should be enough. And right here above the current price, I'm gonna click trading and buy stop, like that. Then again, just make sure it's at least 25 pips far from the current price entry. I think that should be fine, like that. Yes, 25 pips, that should be fine. And then again, 20 pips below the current price, right click on the chart, trading and sell stop. Perfect. Make sure also it's about 20 pips far from the current price. Checked. Perfect. Now, what we need to do is set the stop loss for each one of them. So, just of course, there is a chance always that the market might go against your direction, or the market might actually go in high volatility, that it can actually trigger. For example, what might happen is the market actually might be moving like that, be ranging. The spread, of course, is going to be very high during the news, and that is happening, by the way, with all brokers in the world, including ICO markets. At the time of the news, the spreads are going to be high. But thankfully, ICO markets is still maintained to have a low spreads, so even their high spread is still considered low. So as you can see, the market actually might move like that and hit this buy stop that we're having, then instantly move down like that. So therefore, it's very important actually to set a stop loss for each of them. So for that buy stop, I'm gonna set here a a stop loss, exactly just like that, and I'm gonna make the stop loss right there at the right next to the sell stop. Check this out, our stop loss is 359, which means I'm investing only $359 right in this trade. I cannot lose more than that. Same, of course, for the sell stop. I'm gonna, of course, set here the stop loss, just increase it a little bit like that, modify, and then move my stop loss to be exactly right here, right at the buy stop. So right now I'm safe. I can move the buy stop, and the stop loss is gonna, of course, move along with it. And like that, we are prepared for the news, which is gonna be out within 1 minute. It's important to keep watching the trade. Make sure that you are moving your pending orders along with the candle because right before the news are out, the candle is gonna be moving fast. So check this out. We are on the 1 hour candle, and check how the candle is moving already. And you have to keep moving exactly just like that. Just be sure that you are always prepared for any potential movement. I'm still having that rush of adrenaline before these news are out. It's always making me very excited. Anyway, the news are gonna be out after 20 seconds. Let's be ready. And again, I'm gonna move my pending orders. As you can see, the market is moving down. Sorry, yeah, it's moving down. And as we can see, it's gonna be out within 5, 4, 3, 2. Check this out. Look how the market is gonna be acting. And wait for it. Wait for it. Let's check the gold. The gold is rising. Pound USD is rising. Euro USD is still same. Euro USD, sorry, here still same. The market seems like actually it did not make that high impact. Let's check again. Refresh. Make sure the news are out. The news for the CAD are actually pretty much tight. For the employment change is bad. Unemployment rate is bad, which means logically the USD CAD should be rising up because the news were actually bad for the USD dollar. Sorry, USD CAD should be going down. Sorry, USD CAD should be going down because the news were bad for the USD dollar. I think they are waiting for the NFP announcement, non-farm employment change. It's actually better for the USD. So as you can see, that's the reason the USD right now is rising. USD CAD is rising. Actually, the movement that we are expecting did not happen. The movement that we are originally waiting for did not happen. Which means maybe we need to change right now. I think there is absolutely no need to place the pending orders. I'm gonna just keep them for a few seconds. I'm keeping my eyes on the gold also. The gold right now seems very interesting. USD, my goodness, all of the signals which I have sent have already worked, but after exceeding the safe zones, which is really a big bummer. I mean, sadly, a lot of my followers have failed and lost money because of that. But again, my friends, I can't really do much. I am not the one who controls the market. I can't do anything about it. I hope everyone here have actually set a dedicated investment for each trade that they have opened. Anyway, I think we have to delete the pending orders. I think they are not good anymore. Let me change back this to 2 lot size. And let's see what actually we can do right now with the USD CAD. Right now, actually this can be a live trading video. Sorry, I think the news are not gonna be helping here. So we're having here a support zone, as you can see. And if I use the magic of trend lines, we can see clearly that we're having here a support. And all I need to do is basically drag and drop the same trend line, the support trend line, which I have already drawn here, and place it all the way right here exactly at that level of a previous support trend line. And we can see that the market seems like it's actually respecting that level. Not to mention, of course, that we're having also here a strong key support level at exactly at 1.28192. And we can see the rejection to break out from that level of a support, which means the USD CAD is going to continue to rise. I want to reduce the lot size to make it 1.5. That should be fine. I don't need higher than that. And place the buy order right now. Perfect. Of course, first of all, you have to set your stop losses. Make sure that your stop loss is placed right here. $274, 23 pips. Make sure it's the same as for the take profit level. Okay, we have to keep our eyes on it. This is very it's highly tension for me because we are already running in $100 of loss. All right, so this strategy right now has nothing to do with the news. I'm just moving along with the momentum and my understanding of Forex and how the market is actually reacting to these levels of support and resistance. Of course, to understand this strategy, there is another video which you have to watch. It's right here. The best Forex scalping strategy explained in details. Please watch this one, my friends, in order to understand the strategy that I'm talking about right in this trade. This trade is fully based on the support and resistance, because right here we can see that the market is rising. First of all, I am on the 1 hour time frame. Let's move to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can notice right here that the market has created not only one but two false breakouts. So the real level of the support lies exactly right here and right here and right here as well. These were nothing but a false breakouts, which means if I also draw a support trend line, I can see them. Yes, there is also a real support trend line level. Let me just extend this line a little bit more, expanding it exactly just like that. So right here we're having the real level of a support trend line, the real level of a support trend line, and the real level of another support trend line. And of course the target for my trade has been placed exactly right here at the nearest resistance to my entry. And the same amount I have been placing here for the stop loss. Anyway, back to the 1 hour time frame. The price action right here, this price action, once we are seeing it on a support level, we can be actually assuming that the market is gonna right now start the bullish reversal. This is actually a very good price action for the bullish reversal. So once you see this kind of price action like that on a support level, you can open the buy order. Of course, it's not guaranteed. Nothing at all is guaranteed in Forex. There is always the chance that you might actually fail. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright guys, $126, $120, I'm gonna take it. $126! Fantastic, perfect. I'm gonna take it. I don't really need more than that. That was actually more than enough. $126 that has been made in just right now it's actually 4:46, so we're talking about 12 minutes. $126 to make it in just like 12-13 minutes is just fantastic. Okay, so let me just now go through the other pairs and let's see what we can do. Actually, I'm just looking for a good setup where I can see clearly that the market is on a support or a resistance. Someone might tell me, here Salah, you can see that the market is at a resistance, so why don't you enter? The answer is simple, because this bullish movement here is quite strong, and it seems to me like the market is going to continue the rise till it reaches that level of the resistance right here at 1.21825 for the pound CHF. And placing here a sell order is going to be silly in my opinion, and that's not really my type. And I'm just waiting here to find a decent setup. I'm gonna do something interesting. I will move to the 15 minutes directly. 15 minutes directly. Let's go back to the pound NZD. And so far, nothing right here. Nothing right here as well. I will not waste your time, my friends. Let me now please stop the recording and I'll be back to you once I find something else. Alright, so this is very interesting. The AUD GPY. Oh, I don't even have time to explain it. The trade is going to be triggered very soon. We just have to wait another 3 pips for the trade to be triggered. So as you can see, my friends, right here on the 4 hour time frame, I am actually right now on a strong support level, and it seems like the AUD GPY has reversed from that level of a support. Moving to the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we had right here a strong key support level, which was of course a support in the past, and right now we have the previous resistance with one single attempt. So the market has made here the bearish breakout, a single attempt of the resistance, and immediately another bullish breakout, which means I have to enter the trade right now. And just I don't want to be late. I don't want to be late. I think that's fine. That should be fine. That's fine. All right, so I'm going to tell you what's my plan right here now. I'm going to be investing about $223, and of course for the take profit level is going to be right here at the resistance, of course, which is the nearest resistance to my entry. Now the idea here, my philosophy is, I have just made $126 from the previous trade, and right now here I'm investing $223, which means $100 extra just from the original account without actually considering the profit, which means that's what I'm thinking. I'm risking only $100. Why? because I have just made $126. I am adding right now on this trade $223. I'm not thinking about the 126 as an investment. I'm thinking about it as a free profit I have just made right now within just 12 minutes. So it's for me safe option to actually invest it on the next trade. So if I lose here, I can think that I have lost only $100 because this $126 has just been made. I know it doesn't make any sense, but I'm just thinking loud. That's my philosophy, and I'm just happy with it. And that is actually how I have been survived in this market. And actually, I can open these trades with these big lot sizes here. So anyway, I think the market is definitely gonna make a bullish reversal at the moment. Remember, this candle is gonna expire after 7 minutes, so you can't really expect to be in profit before the 7 minutes. Most likely we will be in profit at the opening of the next candle. Yes, I see the bearish movement is strong, but keep in mind, let me just delete the old zone, and let me just show you that we're having here a support zone, exactly just like that. I need to increase the stop loss. Now it's 267, which is a lot. That's actually a lot, more than what I wanted. But still, we should be fine. I mean, this is the... Actually, let me just be more precise. This is the support zone right here. So the candle should not actually be able to exceed that level, because this is the maximum of the support level. Look at this, is actually the lowest level of the support at 92.626. So let's see what will gonna happen. I need to make myself busy doing something else, so I'm just gonna, of course, play a video game, as I have said earlier, just to make myself busy to not look at this trade, which is not going well so far. Hopefully it's gonna be good trade. Actually, the investment is big, $267. If I lost this amount, it's alright, we can always recover, no problem at all. The bullish movement is strong. Oh my goodness, yes. It's strong. $133 of loss so far. Anyway, I don't want to look at the trade. I'm gonna keep myself busy. I'm gonna take my sight off it. I'm gonna be back to you, my friends, later once I'm gonna be back to you to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Let's now stop the recording. Oh my god, yeah, the loss here is big right now. I'm not gonna close it. I will just wait for it to hit the stop loss, then I will find something else. The stop loss is gonna be about 200. It's gonna be almost $300. 267. Yeah, sadly this trade did not work. $266. Boom, down the drain. Okay, no problem. We can always recover. I will show you how we can recover. I'm gonna go to my safe option always to recover any lost trade, which is gonna be the gold. Okay, let me just show you something here. I want to tell you something. My initial deposit right here is actually $1,700. And thankfully I was able to make this account to reach more than $3,000, which is really great. That's actually very good. I lost a few trades this week, but this was the biggest loss so far, to lose $260 in just one single trade. That's actually the first time this week to happen, and that's why I feel upset about it. I didn't want this to happen, but it's part of the business. What I have lost right here, as I have mentioned earlier, was almost $160, not thinking about the profit that we have made in the beginning of this video, which was $126. I consider this one as never happened. So we are right now at $3,150. So let's see what we can do next with the gold. So let me go now to the 1 minute time frame. Now this is actually something different. For this kind of trading, I need to zoom out. So right now, for this strategy, for this very special trade, you need actually, my friends, to watch different video. You need to watch this one right here. Forex, learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on 1 minute candles. This is a completely different strategy, and let me just tell you something. So many of you have asked me, why did you zoom out like that? Of course, the main reason to zoom out, I don't want to see any price action. I don't want to see any candles. Looking at the candles actually might make me think about the trade. and might actually change my mind about entering it. And therefore, I usually avoid by any means to look at the price actions. I just want to see the support and resistance levels. However, I want to tell you something. The right level to place the sell order is going to be exactly right here. If some of you would know the real reason why right here, I will be very proud of you. All of you. I'm actually proud of all of you already without the need to answer this. But if someone knows the reason why did I select this level instead of this one, I will be very happy. Okay. The real reason is we are having here a resistance. Please keep your eyes on the screen. We have right here a resistance, and right here a resistance, and right here a false breakout. Once we see here a false breakout, that means that this is the real level of the resistance, and the market most likely won't be able to reach the peak of the false resistance. This is the resistance where we want to start actually shorting the gold, because this is the real level of the resistance. So this is actually a strong key resistance level, and pay attention that this level after the bullish breakout has already become a support. So that being said, the market most likely is going to continue the rise. Look at it, the market right now is already rising. So most likely it's going to continue the rise and is going to reach the peak of that resistance, and after that it's going to continue the fall. If that happens, actually I'm aiming to make $400 from this trade. I want to recover the previous loss. It has to be. So if that happens, the stop loss is going to be placed just right here, actually a little bit more, just a little bit right here above that level of the resistance. And of course, for the take profit level is going to be exactly right here at the lowest level of the support at 1,873. So I have to wait for the market to reach this level of the resistance before shorting the gold. So until then, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open this trade. And check this out, the gold has already been rising and it's reaching our entry point. It's about to hit the resistance level, and I'm going to place the sell order. I think now of $447, and the stop loss has to be placed right here. Perfect. $280, $300. Okay, that should be enough. I have placed actually my trade at the best time possible, because as we can see, the gold has reversed exactly right here, my friends, right from the previous support, exactly right here. That's why I had to place the sell order right now without any delay. We already running in $61 of profit. Fantastic. 107, 103. Wow, very nice. The bearish movement is quite stronger, that there is no doubt about that. Actually, I think I'm gonna close this trade with a break even after seeing the previous losses has been recovered, which is about $300. The gold is always my safer place to recover. Now, someone might ask me, but Salah, if it is really your safest place to recover, why don't you always trade gold? That sadly doesn't work. I tried before in the past to trade only the gold, and sadly it failed miserably. I have blown many accounts doing that in the past. I think back in 2017-18, I actually have blown many accounts trading only and exclusively the gold. Very nice, 160, perfect. Oh my god, I have itchy hands to close the trade. You have no idea. Actually, guys, I never keep... Oh, 300! Oh my god! 360! 363. Fantastic. Wow. Oh my god. My heart is beating fast. I'm very happy. Actually, guys, this is a lot of money. $360 have been made from the gold. This was intense. That was crazy. There was a high chance that actually I might fail and lose this trade. If that happens, I'm gonna stop trading for the whole day. But we have made $360 from this trade. As we can see, the gold has indeed fallen, as I have expected, right from that level of a real resistance, which was also a previous support. $360 is actually the biggest amount I have ever been able to make from scalping a trade. in the recent time. I don't even remember the last time this happened. It was very fast, and I was really surprised. I was really surprised. I admit it to you, my friends. I was really shocked to see this amount. Wow, what a session! Oh my God, what a session! My hand is still. Guys, yes, I'm speechless. I mean, someone have asked me here on Telegram. Let me show it to you. 1 second. Hold on. So this is the question which I have received from one of my followers on Telegram, and honestly, I did not answer it. Hello, bro. Do you have a luxury car and house that you bought with money earned from Forex? The answer is no. I just have actually a car which I have bought from trading Forex back in 2019. I can't say that the money from Forex have bought me this money, this car. I have just actually added some money to some money I have. Let me just tell you frankly, I bought the car for about, in dollars, it's gonna be about $15,000. I already had like 9K, if you want to think about it like that. Then from trading, I have saved within like a month to actually make this much, to make it 15K, and I have made about $6,000 from trading, and I have bought my car. However, I don't have a luxury car. It's just a Ford Edge. Okay, guys, it's a Ford Edge 2016. Okay, and a house that you bought. No, I don't have a house that I have bought with money from Forex. Actually, Forex for me is just an income source. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna be crazy rich. I'm not aiming thousands of dollars. You can see other YouTubers, traders, maybe they are aiming about $5,000 from the trade. They are telling you how they have made the account from $100 to $10,000 in a week. I mean, I don't do this shit at all. I'm just here making my own income from trading Forex while sitting at my home. So actually, I'm a free person now. I am not employed. I am actually living by trading Forex only. And by the way, my usual income from Forex is varying between, I would say, in the week, between $700 to $2,000. It's actually varying between these numbers. It's actually rarely going less than that, and almost never go higher than that. But as we can see right now, this is exceptional. I have made $360 from this trade, which means right now the account is $3,500. I just need another $200 to break my record. So the weekly profit will be more than $2,000. Okay, so let's see if we can do something right here. The video is 27 minutes. And actually I have made a very good profit. $3,500. I think let's call it off for the day, and let's call it for the day, and let's end this session. It was crazy, and I really feel I don't want to trade anymore. I'm sorry, my friends, I don't want to trade anymore. Yeah, 27 minutes with only 2 or 3 trades. I mean, I know that's a lot, but I think this was actually very educative and informative session. And it showed you, my friends, that always, once you're losing any amount in Forex, it's easily always to recover, but you just have to find the right trade. I admit, I was so lucky to find this setup of the gold. I was so lucky. If the gold actually was still ranging in here in that resistance, I wouldn't have been able to make the recovery. I was really lucky. I admit it to you, to everyone. I'm not lying. I'm not hiding anything. Again, I was really lucky to find this strong bearish movement, and then find this resistance level right here and place my trade based on it. Look at that. I am on the 15-minute time frame right now, and I cannot see it clearly. I would have never been able to open this trade if I was looking at the 15-minute candle. But switching to the 1-minute candle has opened my eyes to the real level of support and resistance. That's why I have to zoom out and go to the 1-minute candle. So again, sorry my friends, that's gonna be everything for now. 30 minutes is way so long time for 3 trades. So I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.